We are live. Welcome everybody to our free webinar about the writing of a business plan for a hair and beauty salon. We will cover the following topics. First, we identify the benefits of a business plan, then we focus on the 3 tests that a business plan must pass. We continue with the criteria bankers use when reviewing a business plan. We dive in the elements of the business plan and close this session with the keys for effective presentation of a business plan. You are welcome to visit our training room where you will find 2 PDF files in the file section of the menu. One is a sample business plan of a hair and beauty salon, and the other is a blank template. So, you can work out your idea. What are the benefits of an effective business plan? A business plan serves 2 essential functions. First and more important, it guides the company's operations by charting its future course and devising a strategy for following it. The second function of the business plan is to attract lenders and investors. Applying for loans or attempting to attract investors without a solid business plan rarely attracts needed capital. Rather, the best way to secure the necessary capital is to prepare a sound business plan. Which are the 3 tests every business plan must pass? The first one is the reality test. The external component of the reality test revolves around proving that a market for the product or service really does exist. The internal component of the reality test focuses on the product or service itself. The second test is the competitive test. The external part of the competitive test evaluates the company's relative position to its key competitors. The internal competitive test focuses on the management team's ability to create a company that will gain an edge over existing rivals. The last test is the value test. To convince lenders and investors to put their money into the venture, a business plan must prove to them that it offers a high probability of repayment or an attractive rate of return. Small business owners need to be aware of the criteria bankers use in evaluating the creditworthiness of loan applicants, the 5 C's of credit, which are: First, capital. Lenders expect small businesses to have an equity base of investment by the owners that will help support the venture during times of financial strain. Second, capacity. A synonym for capacity is cash flow. The bank must be convinced of the firm's ability to meet its regular financial obligations and to repay the bank loan, and that takes cash. Third, collateral. Collateral includes any assets the owner pledges to the bank as security for repayment of the loan. Fourth, character. Before approving a loan to a small business, the banker must be satisfied with the owner's character. And the fifth, conditions. The conditions: interest rates, the health of the nation's economy, industry growth rates, etc. surrounding a loan request also affect the owner's chance of receiving funds. I will now explain the elements of a solid business plan. Although a business plan should be unique and tailor-made to suit the particular needs of a small company, it should include the following basic elements: an executive summary, a mission statement, the company history if relevant, a business and industry profile, a business strategy, the products or services, a marketing strategy, the location and layout, a competitor analysis, the management team, a plan of operation, the financial data, the loan or investment proposal. The first section of the business plan is the executive summary. It is a brief introduction and summary of your business plan which should describe your business, the problem that it solves, your target market, and financial highlights. Look at the sample in this slide for the executive summary for the hair and beauty salon business plan. It describes the market need, a solution, and the market. You will find another one in the sample business plan, which is uploaded under the file section of the menu in the training room. A good mission statement should define what the company does for its customers, what the company does for its employees, what the company does for its owners. A sample for a salon could be to supply services and products that enhance our clients' physical appearance and spiritual relaxation. The company history includes details about the legal entity, ownership, history, intellectual property, and important assets. In a lean plan, for owners and management team, history is rarely relevant. Include only the part of history that might relate directly to strategy, tactics, milestones, or metrics. Business and industry profiles are in-depth documents that give insight into an industry, where it came from, and where it appears to be going. A typical report looks at the industry leaders, forces affecting the industry, and financial data for the industry. A business strategy is an outline of the actions and decisions a company plans to take to reach its business goals and objectives. The strategy defines what the business needs to do to reach its goals, which can help guide the decision-making process for hiring and resource allocation. A good sample of a business strategy could be skilled at what we do, good customer service, and creating a pleasant environment for our customers will be important to implementing our business plan. The section regarding the products or services includes a brief description of the products or services you offer and why they are necessary. Your business doesn't need to serve a larger social problem, but it should address a need for customers or an opportunity in the market. A sample of salon products and services could be for hair care, cuts, relaxers, perms, colors, shampoo, conditioning, curling, reconstructing, weaving, waving. For the nails, manicures, pedicures, polish, sculptured nails. And for skin care, European facials, body waxing, massage. A marketing strategy refers to a business's overall game plan for reaching prospective consumers and turning them into customers of their products or services. A marketing strategy contains the company's value proposition, key brand messaging, data on target customer demographics, and other high-level elements. See a sample of a marketing strategy for a salon. Satisfied clients are our best marketing tool. When a client leaves our business with a new look, he or she is broadcasting our name and quality to the public. Most of our clients will be referrals from existing clients. No major advertising campaigns are anticipated. Our research has shown that word of mouth is the best advertising for this type of business. We will, however, run specials throughout the week. We will also ask clients for referrals and reward them with discounted or free services depending on the number of clients they bring. We will also offer discounts to the new clients who have been referred. There are plans for a lottery that will offer a free trip to, say, Brazil. A client would simply refer new clients to us, and we will place a card in a box for each client he or she brings. The more they bring, the more chances they have of winning the trip. The location you will choose for your salon is very important. Take into consideration The demographic analysis of the location versus target customer profile, traffic count, lease or rental rates. Labor needs and supply, wages rates. Check out for the layout, size requirements, compliance, ergonomic issues, and the layout plan. This last one is suitable for an appendix. A management team consists of key managers and employees. Check out their background, experience, skills, and know how they bring to the company. Ask for resumes of key managers and employees. This is also suitable for an appendix. A management team could consist of a receptionist to greet customers and receive payments for services and products. Contractors, 5 hairstylists, 1 barber, 1 nail technician, 1 facialist, and a massage therapist. A shampoo technician as the business expands. In the first year, 3 hairstylists, a barber, and part-time nail, facial, and massage specialist. The competitor analysis. Assuming your business has competition, then briefly describe how your business will differentiate itself. Are you competing on price, quality, or something else? Briefly describe in this section what makes your business different here. You can use the following sample. The competition is quite low. There are a few salons like ours, but they are mostly in Piranha City and surrounding areas, most affluent neighborhoods. We also aren't competing with Lady Salon. We want to provide a middle ground for clients who can't afford to go to one of the high-end luxury salons. Identify the main competitors like Lady Salon, Nice Hair Salon, and True Colors Salon. A plan of operation for the salon describes the forms of ownership chosen and reasoning, the company structure, the organizational chart, the decision-making authority, compensation and benefit packages for staff. The financial data is also suitable for an appendix. It comprises of financial statements like the income statement, the balance sheet, the cash flow statement, the break-even analysis, the ratio analysis with comparison to industry standards most applicable to existing businesses. Feel free to look these statements up in our file section of the menu in the training room. If you have any question, you can write them in the chat section. The section on the loan or investment proposal has the following information about the amount requested, the purpose and use of funds, the repayment or cash-out schedule as an exit strategy, and last but not least, the timetable for implementing plan and launching of the business. We close this session with some important keys to making an effective business plan presentation. First, be aware that lenders and investors are favorably impressed by entrepreneurs who are informed and prepared when requesting a loan or investment. Take note of the following tips. Demonstrate enthusiasm about the venture, but don't be over-emotional. Hook investors quickly with an upfront explanation of the new venture, its opportunities, and the anticipated benefits to them. Use visual aids. Hit the highlights of your venture. Don't get caught up in too much detail in early meetings with lenders and investors. Avoid the use of technological terms that will likely be above most of the audience. Rehearse your presentation before giving it. Close by reinforcing the nature of the opportunity, and be prepared for questions.